go and check out Anderson Creek. We'll go check out the creek, and then we'll go and check out the waterfall. There's one good waterfall in there. Not many people come out here, and as far as I know, I've never seen a sign or anything that says that we can't go in here. So another one of the great little stops on this road, easily accessible. It's just full of great little spots here. Okay, we're gonna try not to get wet. Okay? We're gonna try. Good boy! You did it! You're gonna go that way. Dog was making a lot of noise, barking, before we got over here. So, it's a good chance there was an animal in the area. So we gotta go this way. Warning was posted by Alcan Smelters and Chemicals. I don't think they're in the area anymore, so I don't know if this still applies.